friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I have got a game day recipe that you are going to love. Whether you're a football fan or you just love hosting parties, you are going to love this appetizer. It is so easy to make, super healthy, packed with flavor, and it's also really fun to serve with the ranch dip that we're making. So I'm going to show you how to make quinoa buffalo bites. These, like I mentioned, are really easy. They're packed with protein, packed with fiber, and they only take about 30 minutes to make. So they are perfect for your game day feast. I think that they are a great alternative to chicken wings or also chicken nuggets, but they also could just be served at any other party, or they could be a movie night snack. So really it's up to you about how you serve them, but I know you guys are gonna love them. So if you wanna check out the full recipe, it's up on my blog today. You can tap the link that's in the description box. That will give you all the instructions and ingredients. And other than that, let's go ahead and dive in. We'll start this recipe by adding 1/2 can of white beans into a food processor, along with a chopped shallot and a couple cloves of garlic. And we're just gonna blend this all up until it forms a kind of sticky paste. From there, we'll add in some buffalo sauce. I will link the one that I found in the description box because it's vegan, as well as some smoked paprika, some sea salt, and some fresh cracked pepper. Then I recommend scraping down the sides so that it blends up easily. Pop the lid back on and blend this up until it's smooth and creamy. From there, we'll add in the rest of the white beans, some cooked quinoa, and some chickpea flour. You could also use another gluten-free or whatever type of flour you want. And then just pulse this all together until it starts to form a mixture. I actually find that it's easier to pulse a couple times and then remove the lid and use my spatula to kind of stir the dough together to get everything incorporated. And once it's all incorporated, this is the texture of the dough that you're looking for. So it's gonna be something that you can shape with your hands, which is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna take about a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, and shape these into either balls or discs. I personally like them more like that traditional chicken nugget shape. I just find that it dips easier, but you could do whatever you like. And then once you have them into discs, we are going to place them all onto a baking sheet. So basically just repeat until you've used all of your dough and you've filled up your baking sheet. And we will pop these into a 375-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And you're gonna wanna flip them halfway through. And I just find you can flip these pretty easily with your hands, but do it however you'd like. And while the bites are finishing up in the oven, we'll make our ranch dressing. So the base is tahini, as well as some hemp seeds. So this just makes a really high protein, creamy dressing. We're also adding in some fresh chives, some nutritional yeast for some cheesy flavor, some onion powder, garlic powder, dried dill, sea salt, the juice of 1 lemon, and some water to thin it out. And you can just blend this all together until it's smooth and creamy. I recommend that you blend it up and then taste it and adjust your seasonings as necessary. I found that this was best with 2 teaspoons of dill, but it was very dilly. So if you aren't a dill fan, you might want to adjust a little bit. Start with 1 teaspoon. And you can also adjust the water content to make it thinner if you want. From there, we are ready to serve. So pour your dressing into a little dish. I like to serve these bites with some carrots and celery, which is kind of the traditional way of serving chicken wings. And you'll pile on your buffalo bites, then serve it up. These are so awesome dipped in that ranch dressing, and I honestly think that your guests and you are going to absolutely gobble them up. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you end up making these buffalo bites for Super Bowl if you are watching and celebrating, or if you have a family gathering or you're having friends over. I would love to see your recreations. You can tag me on Instagram using @simplyquinoa or #simplyquinoa. That just helps me easily find your photos, helps me give you a little comment and some love in return. I love scrolling through those hashtags and seeing all the photos that I'm tagged in. You guys are so creative and your photos are awesome, so keep on sharing. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the full recipe with instructions, ingredients, more photos, etc. is up on my blog today. Also includes that delicious ranch dip if you want to try that. Makes a great salad dressing in case you're wondering. I would also love to have you join our community here on YouTube if you haven't done so already. You can tap the red button right below this video. It says subscribe. That will subscribe you. I'm here every Tuesday and Friday with brand new recipes and videos. I have a ton more, of course, recipes coming your way, but also we're doing a lot more DIY and lifestyle stuff this year. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!